A party in here today.
Yeah?
Yes!
It's my birthday. It's on a tree.
It is your birthday. You know what I have for you? I have a birthday song. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh my goodness. I also have a happy birthday book. Happy birthday book. What do you want to see what it says? It says, once upon a time, there was this crazy land with all these crazy things. And so at sunset, it came, and the night came, and all of a sudden, there were galoppers named Alice, and the galoppers, and they all got mad!
Why did they get mad for?
Because they weren't invited to the party. Here we go.
Whoa!
And then, guess what happened?
I'm gonna know.
That was fireworks. That was the best fireworks in the whole world. Can you guys make firework sounds?
I'm going now.
Good job. You guys want to help me sing happy birthday to my friend?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so let's help sing happy birthday to Victoria. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Victoria. Happy birthday.